Hello?
Am I in the B-roll shot?
Why are you in my house?
I have a charger for you.
Oh, good.
USB-C?
No. What do you think I have, an Android?
Wow.
All I need in this life is sin. It's me and my girlfriend. Look for me.
Welcome.
So today is a big day. What day is it? We're getting the keys, boys.
So it's pretty early in the morning. It's actually not that early. It feels so early.
You're just tired.
Yeah, I'm exhausted.
It's like 9 a.m.
Yep. So I'm really tired. It's 9 a.m. I unfortunately have to go to work right now. But Joseph got the morning off and he's gonna go get the keys to our new apartment. I'm
gonna head over, get the keys, and then I'll be cleaning, which Joel's a little worried about. I'm not the most thorough cleaner all the time.
He's not the best cleaner almost ever. So I'm really concerned about sending him over there by himself to clean the apartment, especially in a pandemic.
It'll be clean.
So you have to like thoroughly clean it.
I'm taking my job very seriously. It will be a long day for me, even though I'm not at work. I'll be on the ground.
I will be there when I get off of work later this evening, and I'll only stop by like for a little bit. We have been so excited. We've been talking about it nonstop.
Right.
And I was saying it almost like is the kind of vibe as if we were moving into a house.
Yeah.
Like we're like peak excitement, like how we bought a home excitement, but we did not buy this.
Nope, we're firmly renters.
We are renting so strong, and it's not even a house. It's an apartment.
Yeah.
But it has such a house vibe.
Mm-hmm.
Well, or
the
model had a house vibe. So we actually haven't even seen the apartment ourselves that we're moving into. Woo-hoo. It's a super exciting day.
A few moments later.
All right, guys, I just got to the new apartment, and sorry, you might be able to hear a little bit of an echo, so my bad on that one. But first thing I noticed, and something that Joel's gonna be happy about, is really bright here. I can see there's no lights on, it's just the sunlight. This is at about like 11 a.m. So that was our biggest concern with this apartment, was we weren't sure how the lighting would be and how bright it would be, and it is very bright. Big fan of that so far. And I'm really excited. It's a big step up from what we were at, and I'm looking really forward to seeing sort of how Joelle designs it, because she'll be the one making those decisions, and I'll be like, you know what? That sounds nice. You should do that. So yeah, we'll show it to you here in a minute. Again, pretty bright. And also the closet's a nice size as well for me. This will be my closet. Looks good.
8 hours later.
All right. So I walked in. This is our garage. Right, babe?
Wow, wow.
Wow, wow.
I don't know what that is.
Our adult garage. And then
Adult.
here's our, look at this, like you can see the skyline.
Yeah, it looks really nice.
Wow, so pretty. But yeah, you can see that, which is nice. And then you walk in, and you're in the main area.
Woo! Really high ceilings.
Yeah. So there's vaulted ceilings. It sounds really
echoey.
Spacious in
Yeah.
here,
I
which
called
is nice.
my mom before from over here.
Yeah.
And she was like, "Oh, you're echoing, so it means you're in the new spot. You can hear it really well."
So here are the cabinets, and the condition. They're dark. I don't know what material this is. This isn't wood, I don't think.
I don't think so, no.
No. Nice. Cabinets don't really excite me that much.
They don't. Tried to show them to her in video before, and she was like, "I don't care about the cabinets."
Literally, I was like, move on, please. Regular refrigerator. It's not a side-by-side fridge, which we already knew that that's not what we were getting, but I think it's what I prefer, at least. but that's okay. And then we have a stove, a thingamabob, a microwave. Should probably move all the paperwork that says exactly what it is.
Good call.
So then we also went to Chick-fil-A on the way. But then we have a nice little island right here. I didn't even realize that the countertops look like greenish.
Yeah.
I don't like that.
I like them.
We have a double sink that's a little bit deeper, finally. And we also have one of these. These make life so much easier.
Honestly.
Versus like the separate sprayer thing.
Agreed.
Ooh, okay. I like this because it's spacious, but it's not too spacious. Like the other model, oh my gosh, I look kind of crazy. Sorry. But the model had like, do you remember? It had so much space right here. And I'm actually glad we don't have that. I think it makes it just feel, because I didn't know what to do with that space anyway.
Sure.
So it makes it feel kind of put together. So this is nice. Okay. Linen closet, cool, cool, cool. This is like a good amount of space. So we have washer and dryer hookups. Unfortunately, we don't have the washer and dryer yet, nor does it come with it. But even if it comes out to like right here, which I'm assuming it will come out to right here, we have like so much room to put our laundry baskets and stuff. Because in our current laundry room, it maybe goes to like here.
Yeah, it's rough.
So it's really close versus here, so.
That would be nice.
Yeah, I dig it. I love it though, so far. This fits way more than 2 stools. We have a little bar thing right here. And I was like, oh, it'll fit maybe 3 tops. This
is like 6.
5.
Yeah.
So it's cool though.
Yeah, we can get some more.
So we have a little bar that goes on our little counter, all of that. And then, yeah, with the vaulted ceilings, it makes it feel really spacious.
Yeah, it does.
I'm not a huge fan of having 2 separate windows.
You'd rather just have one big one all the way across?
Yeah, I'd rather them be like smushed in the middle.
Yeah.
We'll figure it out. Okay, so this area, let me close this. This is just so I need this, I'm like keeping on this. So,
unfortunately, vertical blinds. But
vertical blinds.
I know you hate those. So.
We literally can't escape.
They're like the same
blinds.
literally the same ones.
So I had an idea that was to put my pole in here. And then I would just have like a fun little area to like, woo, you know, if I want to. But the ceilings are also vaulted in here. So you don't have to pay into the ceiling every time.
It's a great shot.
Is it?
Yeah.
But the ceilings are also vaulted in here, and in order to get a pole on a vaulted ceiling, you have to bolt it into the ceiling, which I don't really want to do, especially now that I've started taking classes in person again. I just think it'd be unnecessary damage caused to the apartment. So now that that's not going to be in here, I have no idea what I'm going to do. Because I already bought an L-shaped desk to go in this corner, and I meant to bring measuring tape and I forgot.
Yeah.
So before I take it out the box to make sure it actually fits
in
this corner, but it's going to go right here. But
everything else is to be decided.
Literally, because then I still have this whole space.
Yeah, like this whole middle and the whole half over here.
Yep. And it's like not completely walled off, which was really the issue, is the fact that it is still open to the rest of the apartment. And the window is over here. So it's kind of like I need that window light, but I also don't want my desk to be in the shot. So, yeah. Yeah. I'll figure it out. The room is bigger than I thought it would be too.
Yeah.
So the rooms are all carpeted, which I'm not a huge fan of this carpet.
Yeah.
It feels nice. It's just like,
you don't like how it looks?
Dark. Like, so we're not allowed to cover the carpets or paint the wall. So to paint the walls at all or really change anything in here, essentially, from what the lease said. So the most we could probably do is put up some contact paper or like peel and stick wallpaper and stuff like that. But it's in such like a dark beige color. And I'm just not a huge fan of that. And also the rugs are like kind of dark with that yellowy tone, just like the cabinets.
Yeah.
It just kind of screams like old person to me. Like it's how an old person would be like, ooh, yeah, you know? And we're not old, so I just don't think it really fits our vibe. I think it's a little outdated. I guess I should say it's outdated. So this room is cool. We don't really have a whole lot in mind for this room.
Dresser, bed.
Yeah, there's gonna be a dresser right here.
Some end tables, but that's what we got.
Over there. But then we still have, I don't know.
Yeah.
It's crazy. We're just not used to having this much space.
Honestly.
In general, it's really nice. And the bathroom. And the closet. So this is gonna be my closet, and it's so much bigger.
Yeah.
So much bigger. So like Joseph already explained, he was here earlier today, so that's why there's some stuff in the apartment already, but this is the first time I'm seeing it, so he already brought everything in. Right, babe?
Yes, ma'am.
It's gonna be so exciting. I think I'm gonna put like some freaking bins up here, like little storage bins, because my mom has that in her closet. Is where she keeps all of her like winter scarves and like random stuff, or even like backup toilet paper and all that. We have a linen closet now and more space in general, so we don't need that, but neither does she, so I don't know why she does that, but
it's cute though, that's why.
it's cute. So I think I want to do that as well, instead of having everything just kind of out. I think this is the perfect opportunity to use some baskets and then put like some shoe racks down here, and we're gonna have a dresser as well.
Yeah, we're chilling.
So we're chilling, yeah. We have mad room.
Hey.
Hey.
Thank you. Thank you. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching our house tour. It's not a house.
It's an apartment.
An apartment.
Apart house.
But you have to admit, doesn't this feel so much like a house?
It gives house vibes.
It's such house vibes. So we're really excited about it. We're just gonna start taking some stuff out of the car that we brought over, getting settled in, you know. If you made it this far, let us know what your favorite part is and what you're excited to see transformed. Ooh, ooh. What?
It's a whole new canvas. Design.
Yes! We will catch you next time.